Hey guys, welcome. If you are solving one question in 1 minute and somebody is sitting beside you is solving 3 questions in 1 minute, then you are lacking 2 questions every time, and that makes a difference. Then you are securing your position in the rejection list of the first round of your placement. Do you want that? Mass rejection is the process of all the company for the first round. And if you are not preparing for the first round, what is the point of studying whole night and preparing for an interview for that company? So what is important for you? Point number 1, suppose each and every time if you are getting rejection, not each and every time, if you have appeared for a company 1 or 2 and if you are getting rejected in the first round, then make sure you are lacking in your quantitative aptitude. So what is the lagging point? Are you slow or are you not able to solve the questions? What is the point? There is 2 ways. You can find out. Are you having difficulty in solving the problem, or are you having difficulty with the time? You know everything, but because of the time was less, that's why I couldn't make it. But guys, trust me, the time was never less. It was you who are slow. If second case is your reason. If the first case, your concepts are not clear, then you need to study. Now, I will be providing one solution to both the problem. Now, first discuss about the problem number 1, that is my concepts are not clear. Whenever I'm reading a question, I'm not able to understand that, I'm not able to solve that. So for that, both the problem has only one solution as of now, and that is R S Aggarwal. Suppose you are solving, if your concepts are not clear, just go and check out their concept. R S Aggarwal can clear your concept very easily, but make a point, it is not the solution for your first round. If you want to improve your concept, then go through it, check out the solution of each and every question, try to understand the question, try to grasp the concept, but do not follow the solution, same exact solution in your first round. Now let's discuss about the problem number 2, that is the timing. The time was very less while I was solving the question. So for that, first check it out how you are solving the question. What is your approach to solve a question? If somebody is solving a question in 2 lines and you are solving the same question in a 6 or 7 line, then there you are lacking. The approach you are following is not good. So for that, I will not recommend you R S Aggarwal. For taking up the question, it is good. But for solving the question, you need to check out the shortcuts. There are so many tutorials, there are so many websites which is providing you a hell lot of shortcuts to solve any question within 1-2 lines, and in fact in some question you don't even have to touch the pen or paper. To clear your concept, it is good. It is a good book. But for second problem, that is I'm slow, then take up the question. If you don't have to jump over here and there to solve aptitude question. Follow one book, that is more than enough. They have provided you n variety of questions. Now if you are interested, if you have a time, you can go through other books or other tutorial as well, but to solving the question, do not follow their solution. It's for both the people, those who are not good in concept and those who are slow. Do not follow that solution from the R S Aggarwal. You need to solve it with the tricks and shortcuts, using the shortcut and trick that will make you clear your first round. That is the only solution for you. Now go and check out where you are lacking, in concept or in timing, and both the solution I've already provided to you. Hope this video was informative to you. If it was informative to you, don't forget to press thumbs up. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and press the subscribe button so that whenever I will be posting a new video, you will be getting notified. Don't forget to press the notification button.